Welcome again, guys, to the channel Old Time Cooking TV. I trust that you all are doing well wherever in the world you are. Alright, today is Christmas Eve here in Jamaica, and so tomorrow is Christmas. So God's willing and we live to see it. It's gonna be Christmas Day, and normally on Christmas Day you try to do a little extra. So today we're gonna try and prepare curry goat. So here we have our mutton, goat meat, all right, already washed, already cleaned, okay, and chopped in small chunks. It's a little fatty, you know, but after it is finished cooked, we can drain off the excess oil. So we're gonna go in with our powdered seasoning, and here we have the curry, we have ginger powder, we have curry, we have all-purpose salt, black pepper, and across here we have some pimento seeds. So we're just gonna go in with everything, okay. All right, then we're gonna mix that in. Okay, so we're gonna mix that in. Should in case we need more curry, we'll add it to it as we go along. And not only that, I'm going to also put curry in the oil, burn curry in the oil before the cooking process. And I did say that today is Christmas Eve, so this is not going to be cooked today, it's going to be cooked tomorrow. But for best results, you want to season it from today and put it on the refrigerator so that the season can soak, we would say in Jamaica. People would say marinate, but we in Jamaica, we say so that the season can soak. All right, it looks good so far, looks rich, looks yellow. You can choose to add more curry, add all the powder seasonings to your liking. All right, but to me it looks a little fine. And here we have our green seasonings. We have scallion, onion, garlic, pepper, and thyme. I don't normally cut up my thyme because I'd like to take it out of the pot with the stick after the leaves are cooked in it. I just like to take out the stick. So we're gonna mix in the green seasoning, and I can tell you the aroma that is coming from this smells so good. Okay, I can just imagine when this is finished what it is going to taste like. So this is our mutton, well seasoned, okay, and we're going to put this on the refrigerator. We're going to close it, put a lid over it, or put foil paper or the plastic wrapping, and seal it until tomorrow for the cooking. So you'll see the cooking process. Please stay tuned. I ask you to watch the entire video so you can get a perfect understanding of what is happening. Also, if this is your first time to Old Time Cooking TV, I ask that you press subscribe, and when you do subscribe, please to press the notification bell, that when we post another video, you'll be one of the first to be notified. So see you when we're doing the cooking process. Stick and stay and watch the entire video. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. This is Christmas morning 2022. Welcome. As I said yesterday, we had seasoned up the curry goat, so today is the cooking process. So here we're gonna go ahead and add some curry to the oil, just to burn that curry a little. Okay. And then we don't want it to get black, so we mix it around, turn down the flame, and then in with our seasoned meat from yesterday. So there we go. There we have it. Lovely curry goat seasoned overnight from yesterday evening. Alright, back to my flame, and we're going to stir this. Look how beautiful that is. Lovely. Wow. And it is smelling so good. Okay, so Merry Christmas to each and every one of you here in Jamaica and across the world. I do trust that you live to see it today. Well, if you're watching this video, it means then that you have lived to see it today. What a better day to give God thanks for life, for health, for strength, for daily food, for clothing, for shelter, for family. You know, there's so much to give God thanks for. And most of all, the fact that today is a day that is designated that we celebrate the birth of Christ. You know, today is such a beautiful day to give God thanks for sending his son into the world to die for our sins. So Merry Christmas, and please watch the entire video. If this is your first time here, I ask that you subscribe, and when you do subscribe, kindly press the notification bell so you can be one of the first to be notified when another video is uploaded. So we're going to cover this now and allow it to stew for a little before we close the pressure cooker. Welcome back, everyone. This is after 35 minutes in the pressure cooker. So we remove it from the pressure cooker and we're gonna cook it down now. So to this we're gonna add, as usual, Jamaicans normally put Irish and carrot in all their meats, most if not all. And so in with our carrots and our Irish, and we are just gonna allow this to cook down. At this point you can re-season your pot with additional scallion, onion and stuff, but I chose not to do that today. Okay, so you can add ketchup to this if you so desire, you know, just to thicken your gravy, but a lot of people don't like to do that, okay, because the carrot gives you the sweet already, and if you put ketchup to that, it's going to be too sweet. If you notice, there's a lot of gravy in this, and that's how I want it, because there's a lot of rice, so you're gonna need gravy to heat with that rice. So we're just gonna allow this to simmer. At this point you can taste for salt. This is perfect, so you need not to add any salt to this. Just gonna cover this now and allow it to cook. So see you on the other side. There we go, guys. Here we go. Here's a finished dish. Rice and peas, potato salad, vegetables, curry goat. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, and share this video with somebody and share the love. Thank you for supporting Whole Time Cooking TV. All the best to you. Thank you so much.